We know I'm doing you out with my with another number so of course we're out on two nations like an ass sperm whale. Breath the way I'm on the tail, the deep blue sea is format. Universe, I'm moving between shores and reefs. Direct on time, disrespecting time. You a dope rhyme. It's a big thing on the road, but it's like you really give a shit because they have it. I'm gonna spam them, they're gonna capture them. No format, just hustle the ride. The needle, clean it, and I put it back. Thanks for that, Matt. Can't you see the ease with which we communicate seamlessly? Need each other like milk and cereal. Collaborate to make great material. It's flipping back and pedal makes it a chore of rap. When I write to a format beat, we come tighter than Venus flytrap. You know I never fly past. Farther than a parasail, a parakeet, with a parababy. Some ask the question, why? Too much optimal for nurturing nature. Fucking with abs, you're flirting with danger. Like Icarus flying too close to the sun. Like DJs, thinking the rice is hot like lit candles. Got more soul than a sin. Understand, so move your spinal. Check the way my man handles the fire. Format on the twos and ones. Moms and rappers about to lose their sons. Coming from the devastating conclusion. The thinking that sounds like seducing nuns. Never had a better rapper on no piece of glass. Shit's really gonna hit the fan. We gonna tighter than the hamster in the
Look at you, yo.